Hello and welcome back again to the channel. If you've seen this video, that means we are in the new year, so happy new year and welcome to 2024. Woo-hoo. In this video I'm going to be installing a wig and we're just gonna get into it. Alright, so first things first, I have my stocking cap. I am not doing the bald method because I don't think it's necessary. The only reason actually though I might need to start bald method is if I do this so it covers my ear. So I'm actually going to do the bald cap just so I can cover my edges. I have the Got2B Spray and I'm gonna spray that down. Oof. Yeah, kinda. So I'm gonna cut it off. So I need the spray to hold it down when I cut it off. I'm gonna do a second layer of the spray just to make sure that this stays down. Now I am just gonna cut this. I actually don't want to, I'm gonna go get the razor. So right now I'm just cutting off the excess. Okay, so now that the excess is cut off, I'm gonna tie in the back this excess right here instead of cutting that off to give it more grip or make it more stable. Okay, now that my stocking cap is all glued down, I'm using my bronzer to match my skin tone. I'm just gonna put that like all over. Now before I put the glue on for the wig, this is the wig, 28-inch 13 by 6. I think it is 180% density. So I'm just gonna put that on my head to fit my head and cut it how it fits. So let's see. So there's excess like right here, and there's excess right here. So I'm gonna cut those. So, oh, this one's actually nice. I like this one. This part always makes me nervous because I don't want to cut it wrong. but so I'm gonna cut by my ear. There. So I'm cutting. Let's cut. I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing. So I am going with the line of the top of my ear, and that's how I'm cutting the extra lace. Now, I'm also going to go ahead and cut this extra lace in the back because it's not knitted. So, now, to glue the wig down, I'm going to go in with this gel. I'm going to go with this gel and I'm just going to spread it. I'm just going to spread it all around my scalp, and I'm gonna go in with maybe 2 to 3 layers. And since it's a new year, if you are willing to share, put in the comments what are your goals for the new year. And yeah, for me, one of my goals for 2024 is I need to do better with my finances and basically have a better relationship with money. I need to know how to you know, and just being more financially stable. So I would like to know your goals for 2024. If you want to share that and put it in the comments, and I will be responding to, if I do get at least 5 comments on this video, I will be responding to the first 5 comments. So yeah. Okay, the second layer, I'm going to use the spray. Ooh. Dry, blow dry again. So now that it's on, I'm just gonna press this down so it goes down with the glue. I was actually supposed to put bronzer on the lace, but I forgot to do that. But that's okay because I bleached the knots, so I think we should be good. But if you want to add bronzer on your lace or lace tint, that would be, do that. Before I tie this down, I'm going to do another spray, just 1 layer of spray on the lace. Okay, so I decided to do a middle part, and probably put some layers right here. So let's see how that goes. It's usually hard for me to make a middle part. Getting that straight line is like somebody's sweat for me. I can never get that line straight, but we're gonna get it straight today. Before we proceed, I'm gonna cut this lace. I'm gonna make like 3 parts like this. I'm gonna use this razor instead of a scissors because I think this will cut better. I think I actually prefer the scissors, so we're just gonna proceed with that. I'm gonna link where you can find this product in the description box, so look out for that. Got this one. Oh, okay. Okay, this is not straight, but that's fine. Okay, that's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the spray to make this lace less visible now that we've cut it. Whoa, whoa, this is crooked. Okay, I'm gonna tie this down again. And now I'm gonna go in with my wax stick for styling. I think this middle part is good, so we're gonna proceed. To make sure that this is flat. Take this down. Now I'm gonna start cutting the layers. Layers, here we come. It looks like this already has layers though. Like you can see, it looks like it already has layers, but I'm gonna add some more. Cutting layers always makes me nervous, but we can do it. I don't think I want to cut this one anymore. So for the layers, I'm gonna cut down like this. So I'm just gonna do, I want to make at least, I want 3 layers. So this is gonna be the first layer. This that's already here right now. And I'm gonna go down like that. Let's do the other side. So I kind of want this to curl backwards. So I'm gonna hold the iron like this, see if that works. Okay, I think it's working. I think it's working. So I am gonna do the rest of the curls and I'll be back. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the curl pattern on this side is different from this side. But I am hoping when I brush it out, it, you know, let me see. I wanted this to go back like this, but that's fine too. Can you see the layers? It looks really dark on camera, but I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. I'm not sure if you can see, but the layers is there. Mwah, no bars. Okay, this definitely has more curls on this side than this side, so I'm gonna go back to recurl this one. But for right now, let's take this out. Okay, this is what this is looking like. I don't think I wanted to do some edges, but I don't think with this style, I don't think that's necessary. Trisha, you think I should do edges? Yeah. So to finish off, I'm going back in with the wax stick on the front side, because I want to give the hair a lift right here, like that. I decided to not do edges because I don't think it's necessary. Final step is going back in with my bronzer on the lace to make that more skin tone-ish. But like I said in the beginning of this video, leave a comment, tell us what your goals for 2024. And also I am going to respond to the first 5 comments and leave you suggestions of whatever you would like to see this year, because this year we're coming, you know, we're coming hard. Okay, so leave suggestions. I will try to upload every Friday. I'll try to upload a new video every Friday, so always be on the lookout for a new video every Friday. And when you subscribe, you can pause right now and go subscribe and like the video and leave your comment. And when you subscribe, there's a notification bell that you should hit, so hit that bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. And that's it for now. I hope you guys have a very blessed 2024. I hope 2024 is filled with blessings, with money, with love, and all of the good things that's going to happen for you. And yeah, I'm going to see you a lot this year, and you better come see me too by subscribing.